Hello boys and girls, this is Şule teacher again and welcome to my English lesson. In this lesson we will practice farm animals, wild animals and then can, can't. And let's start with farm animals. Yes, look at this picture. Who is this? Do you know who is this? Yes, this is a farmer. Let's write the answer. This is a farmer. So, what does a farmer do? He takes care of animals. He takes care of animals. And look at this picture. What is this? It is a barn. It is a barn. This is a farmer. A farmer takes care of animals and it is a barn. So where can see a barn? In the farm, yes. Now, let's practice farm animals. There are some questions. Look at the first question. What animals has she got in her farm? Look at them. So let's write. She has got a dog, a rooster, and a donkey. Yes, now look at this boy. What animals has he got in his farm? Look at them again. Let's write the answer. He has got a cow, a horse, and a duck. She has got a dog, a rooster, a donkey, and he has got a cow, a horse, and a duck. Now, there are some pictures about farm animals. And look at the box. Horse, goose, rooster, donkey, duck, goat, cow, and pig. Now let's write their names one by one. Look at the first picture. What is that? Yes, it's a pig. Pig. Next one, what is that? It's a duck. Let's write duck. Yes, what is that? It's a goat. Goat. Next one, what is it? It's a goose. Goose. Yes, what is it? It's a cow. Cow. Next one, what is it? It's a donkey. Donkey. Next one. What is it? It's a rooster. Rooster. Yes. And the last picture, what is it? It's a horse. Horse. Pig, duck, goat, goose, cow, donkey, rooster, and horse. Now, let's practice can and can't. Remember, can for positive, can't for negative sentences, okay? Now, look at the sentences. There are 8 sentences. And we will write can or can't. Let's read. Number 1. A tiger. Can or can't? A tiger jump. Which one? Can or can't? Yes, can. Let's write can. A tiger can jump. Number 2. A lion hop. Hop. What is the answer? A lion can. Yes. Can hop. Number 3. A panda swim. Can a panda swim? No. So, a panda can't swim. Can't swim. Number 4. A giraffe walk. Can a giraffe walk? Yes, so let's write can. A giraffe can walk. Number 5. A hippo swim. Can a hippo swim? Yes, a hippo can swim. 6. A cheetah fly. A cheetah fly. Can a cheetah fly? No. So let's write can't. A cheetah can fly. Number 7. A rhino dance. Can a rhino dance? No. So write can't. A rhino can't dance. And the last one is a monkey climb. Can a monkey climb? Yes. So let's write can. A monkey can climb. A tiger can jump. A lion can hop. A panda can swim. A giraffe can walk. A hippo can swim. A cheetah can't fly. A rhino can't dance. And a monkey can climb. Now, there are some words about farm, wild, and pet animals. So, look at the box. We will categorize them farm or wild or pet, okay? Let's look at this. Cats. So, which one? Which category? Let's write farm. And also, we can write it here. We can say a pet. Okay. The other one, rhino. Rhino. Which one? Farm or wild animal or pet? Wild animal. Yes. Let's write rhino here. Next one. Duck. Farm, wild or pet? Which one? Farm. Yes. Let's write duck here. Rooster. Which one? Rooster. Farm, wild or pet? Farm. Very nice. So write rooster. Giraffe. Which one? Farm, wild or pet? Wild. Yes. Let's write giraffe here. Giraffe. Cow. Farm, wild or pet? Farm animal. Yes. Let's write cow here. Dog. Which one is dog? For dog? Pet. You can write here. And also dog is for farm animal. So write dog here. Gorilla. Yes, which one? Wild animal. Yes, let's write gorilla here. Hamster. Which one? Farm, wild, or pet? Pet. Yes, let's write hamster here. Lion. Which one? Wild animal. Yes. Lion. Turtle. Which one? Farm, wild, or pet? Pet. Let's write turtle here. And fish. Farm, wild, or pet? Which one? Fish. Pets. That's right. Parrot. Again, which one? Pet. That's right, parrot here. Hippo. Farm, wild, or pet? Wild animal. Donkey. Yes, which one? Donkey. Farm animal. Donkey. Lizard. Which one? Lizard. Pet. Let's write lizard here. Goat. Which one? Farm, wild, or pet? Farm. Yes, let's write here. And crocodile. Crocodile. Which one? Yes, wild animal. Crocodile. Farm animals: cat, duck, rooster, cow, dog, donkey, and goat. Wild animals: rhino, giraffe, gorilla, lion, hippo, and crocodile. And pet: cat, dog, hamster, turtle, fish, parrot, and lizard. Now I have some questions for you. Let's guess, okay? I have no legs. I have scales. My bite is poisonous. Who am I? Think. Let's see the answer. I am a snake. And the other one. I am big and strong. I have a long trunk. I lift food with my trunk. Who am I? Yes, let's see the answer. I am an elephant. Elephant. Okay, boys and girls, it's over for today. Thanks for listening and see you.